Welcome to the Latch Hook Garden Project tutorial. We're about to bring your garden to life with yarn. In this project, you'll mix latch hooking, pom-poms, yarn loops, and a bit of simple stitching to create a colourful, textured wall hanging. You'll get to layer yarn, add playful details, and finish with a soft grassy section. The end result? A unique piece of textile art, bursting with colour and texture, ready to brighten up any spot in your home. Inside your box, you'll find a latch hook tool, King Cole Cuddles chunky yarn in dark green, 2 balls of Hayfield bonus chunky yarn in lemongrass green and burnt orange, 3 balls of Hayfield bonus DK yarn in gilt yellow, grass green and pea green, happy chenille yarn in fizzy green, a plastic yarn needle, and your rug canvas fabric. You'll just need a few extras: scissors, a pen, a ruler, and some cardboard. The Craftiosity box your kit arrived in works perfectly for this. This tutorial will show you a variety of techniques, and you can mix and match them to design your own little yarn garden. To give your piece a more natural look, try varying the size and shape of your sections. If everything is too uniform, it can look a bit flat. Sketching out a rough plan beforehand can also help balance your colors and textures. One tip before we dive in: set aside at least half of the furry green yarn, as you'll need it for your grassy section later. Starting to latch hook, lay out your piece of rug canvas. Find something circular, 20 to 23 centimeters in diameter, to draw around. Center it on your canvas and use a pen to trace the shape. Begin by adding some long latch hooked fringe strands to your canvas. Cut a strip of cardboard measuring 6 centimeters in width. The width of your cardboard strip will determine the length of your yarn strands. Wrap your yarn around the cardboard strip. We used the burnt orange chunky yarn. Wrap along the length of the strip rather than building up in one spot. Each full wrap of yarn will give you 1 strand to latch hook with. Once you have enough wraps, cut the yarn. Slide your scissors under the yarn along one edge of the cardboard and cut through. You'll now have a bundle of yarn strands, each around 6 centimeters long. Choose where you'd like your first section of long fringe. Take a yarn strand and place it next to the square of rug canvas you want to attach it to. Open the latch on your latch hook tool and insert it under that section of canvas, with the yarn strand lying on top. The tool should come up through the center of the next square. Push the tool far enough so it goes past the lever on the latch hook. Bring the ends of the yarn strand up and wrap them around the tool. Lay the ends under the hook part of the tool. Pull the tool backwards so the latch closes and the yarn loops through itself. Make sure the ends of the yarn strand don't slip out of the tool. Give the strand a gentle tug to tighten and secure it in place. Repeat this process with the rest of your yarn strands, attaching each one to a new square of the canvas. Work in rows, starting at the top of the section and moving downwards. Now we'll create a shorter fringe section. Choose the yarn you'd like to use. We used the green DK yarn. Cut a strip of cardboard 4 centimeters wide and wrap your yarn around it, just as before. Use scissors to cut through the wrapped yarn to create strands. Because this yarn is thinner, attach 2 strands at the same time. Take 2 strands and position them where you'd like to attach them. Use the same latch hook technique as before. Repeat until the area is filled with shorter fringe. To make a very short fringe, cut your yarn into 4 centimeters strands. Any shorter can be tricky, as they may slip out of the tool. Attach the strands with your latch hook tool, filling the area you've chosen. Once all the strands are in place, trim them down to your desired length with scissors. Adding pom-poms. Let's make a pom-pom to add to your piece. Start with a small, solid colored pom-pom. Take your 4 centimeters cardboard strip and choose your yarn. We used mustard yellow. Wrap the yarn around the strip in the same spot. The more wraps, the fuller your pom-pom will be. Carefully slide the yarn bundle off the strip. Cut a length of the same yarn and tie it tightly around the center. Cut through both ends of the bundle so you have lots of strands instead of loops. Fluff up your pom-pom by rolling it in your hands. Your pom-pom will look a little straggly at first. Use scissors to trim and neaten it up but take care not to cut the center tie strand. For a denser pom-pom, keep trimming it down. The more you trim, the firmer it becomes. Use the center tie strands to attach the pom-pom to your rug canvas. Decide where you want it, then pull one tie strand through one square and the other through the next square. Knot the strands together tightly in a double knot to secure. You can also make variegated pom-poms. Take your 6 cm cardboard strip and hold 2 or more yarns together. Wrap them around the strip as before. Slide the bundle off the strip and tie a strand tightly around the center. Cut through both ends. Then trim your pom-pom to the shape and density you like. Use the long center strands to attach your pom-pom to the rug canvas. Make as many pom-poms as you like, in different sizes and colors. Try experimenting with spacing them out or grouping them together. Creating yarn loops. To add even more texture, you can create yarn loops. Keep your yarn attached to the ball and lay it above the line of canvas you want to work on. Insert your open latch hook tool under the line of canvas and hook the yarn. Pull the yarn under the canvas, then pull up a small loop. Push the latch hook forward so the loop sits under the lever. Hook the yarn from the ball again. Pull the tool back so the latch closes and draws the yarn through the loop. Adjust the yarn to create a loop of your desired height. Remove the tool and tighten the loop. Repeat in the next square along until the section is filled. To fasten off, cut the yarn leaving a short tail. Combine the techniques you've learned: fringes, pom-poms, and loops to fill your canvas with color and texture. Important: leave between 1/3 and 1/4 of the bottom of your circle empty. Stitching a grassy area. The bottom section of your canvas will be stitched with the fuzzy green yarn to create a grassy, mossy patch. Cut a long length of yarn and thread your plastic needle. Starting on the left edge of the circle, bring the needle up through the nearest square and leave a tail at the back. Make a stitch back down into the last empty square. Add a second stitch in the same holes. Then move to the holes to the right for your third stitch. These stitches will also secure the yarn tail at the back. Continue stitching across the canvas, making 2 stitches in each set of holes. If you run out of yarn, tie off to the previous stitch and start again with a new length. Keep going until the whole area is covered. For extra texture, add a few short fringed strands. Cut 4 cm pieces of fuzzy yarn, take 2 at a time, and attach them with your latch hook. Separate your stitches slightly to reach the canvas underneath. Trim the strands down very short so they sit just above the stitched surface. Repeat in random spots for added texture and height. Finishing off, cut out your rug canvas circle, leaving a 2 to 3 cm border around the edge. Don't worry if the border isn't perfect, it will fold under for a neat finish. Fold one section of the border under so no canvas shows from the front. Cut a length of yarn, thread your needle, and stitch through both layers of canvas. Keep your stitches hidden from the front. Stop when you reach the grassy section. Use the fuzzy green yarn to stitch the border of the grassy section. Make sure the canvas is folded under completely, as there's no overhanging yarn here to hide it. Cut a 6 cm piece of yarn and fold it in half. Tie a knot near the ends to form a loop. At the back, find the centered top of your piece and insert your latch hook tool. Hook the yarn loop through halfway, then pull the tails through to secure a hanging loop. And there you have it. Your beautiful latch hook garden is complete and ready to hang.